Hello guys, I'm back with another tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create these landing page sections only using HTML and CSS. So if you are a complete beginner or if you want to practice, you can follow this video. To create this, let's move into our code editor. So I have my index.html file and an assets folder. Inside the assets there are CSS and images folder. Inside images I have some images, and inside this CSS folder I have this style.css. Now let's make the HTML boilerplate. Now we have to link the style CSS. Perfect. Now let's write some basic CSS. Margin will be 0, padding will be 0, and box sizing border box. So this is important. And then we have to write some common CSS. For example, the li will be list style none, and all a tag will be text decoration none, and the color will be inherit. And also we will have a container, and the container will have max width 1600 pixel, margin will be 0 and auto, and there will be some padding will be 0, top and bottom 0, and left and right 20 pixel. And also the main width will be 100%. Okay, let's move into the index.html. So first we have to create this header, and after this hero section. So let's take a header tag, and inside this we need a container. Inside this container we will have our logo, this logo, and this menu links. So I will say header logo, and inside this there will be an image, and yeah, I have this logo. This one I'm using, this one. And by the way, I'm gonna upload this project in my GitHub, so you can download these images and other stuffs if you want. Okay, after that we need the text. I will write super lawyer, all in capital letters. And after that we need header menu, and inside this I'll take ul and then li, and inside this li there will be an a tag. In the first a there will be home, and we will have total 5 links. First one will be home, second one will be about, third one will be services, fourth one will be testimonials and the last one will be contact. Now we have to style this. So first we will select the header. Header will have background color, and we need some padding. Top and bottom will be 30 pixel and left right will be 0. After that we have to display flex the container, the header container. Align item center, justify content center. Sorry, justify content will be a space between. And we are gonna open this project in live server. If you don't have live server, you can simply go here and type live server. You simply install this one and we will have this option. Okay, now we have this logo coming and we can't really see the text, it's here. So we have to now display flex this header logo. Align item will be center and the header logo image will be, width will be 70 pixel and we are gonna make it white by giving it filter invert 1, and also it will have some margin right. I'll give it 15 pixel. Perfect. After that we have we have this text. So header logo P, it will be font size 25 and color will be white. And then what we have this list. We have to also display flex this header menu UL display flex, align item center, and I will give it a gap of 40 pixel. And the header menu A, it will be color white and font size 20 pixel. Perfect. Alright, now we have to import our font. I'm gonna use Poppins for this. So simply we have to go to fonts.google.com and from here I will search for Poppins. Get font, get embedded code, import, and from here I'll copy this one and simply put it at the very top. And we have to copy this font family, come right here and paste it. Perfect. Now we have this beautiful looking header. Perfect. Now we have to create this hero section. There will be our hero section, and inside hero there will be a container. And if you see, we have this left side and the image is in the right side. So let's finish the text first. So it will be hero left, and inside hero left we have this badge, right? So I'll write certified tag, and inside this we need a checkbox wrapper. It will be certified check, and inside this here will be our check image. And after this check image this one we need this text. We can simply break this with a BR tag. Now we have to flex this certified tag, but first I'll go here and type hero, and the mean height will be, let's say, 100 BH, and the background color will be the same as the header, and there will be a padding at the top and bottom, let's say 100 pixel and 0, and the position will be relative. Alright, now the hero left, it will have with 50% position relative, and the z index will be 1. And why I am using the position and z index, you'll understand later. Now let's fix our certified tag. It will have fit content, display flex, align item center, and there will be gap of 13 pixel. After that we need a padding at the top bottom, there will be 7, and the left right 12 pixel. After that we need a border radius will be 4 pixel, and border will be 1 pixel solid. Little bit, we can use it little bit yellowish, for that the color code will be FFF 8EA, and there will be a margin bottom 40 pixel. Now if we see, we have this box here, but we have to make it like this. What we can do is, now we can select this check, and the width will be 32 pixel, height also 32 pixel, and the border radius will be 50%, and the background color I'll use the same color. After that we'll have display flex, align item center, justify content center, and we have to size the image also, certified check image with 21 pixel. You see, it's almost done, and after that we have to select the span, this span right here. So the certified check span, it will be color, the same color again, and after that I'll say font size 18. Okay, I guess something is wrong. Oh, sorry, not certified check, it will be certified tag. Perfect. Okay, now we have to take this text and put it under this tag inside a h1 tag, and the h1 will be hero left h1. It will have font size 60 pixel, font weight will be 600, and the margin bottom will be 30 pixel, color will be white, and line height will be 120%. You can see it looks almost perfect, and now we need this paragraph. Under this section, and also we have to put a BR tag here. I'm sorry, it will be inside this paragraph tag, and this paragraph will be hero left P. It will have font size 18 pixel and margin bottom 35, and the color will be white. And after that we need this button under this text. Then the button will have this text. Let's copy this. So the button will have the hero left button will have padding top bottom 15 pixel and left right 25 pixel. Color will be white. Font size will be 22 pixel. Border none. Outline also none. After that, background color will be kind of blue, this one, and border radius will be 8 pixel and margin bottom will be 30 pixel, and also cursor pointer. Looks really good. And at this left side we have only these two things left. For that, I'll come under this button, and here I'll say achievement wrap, and there will be single achievement, and inside this single achievement you can see there are this and this. So it will be achieve check. Inside this there will be the same check image, and after the check we need the text, and the text is this for the first one. Perfect. Then let's copy this single achievement, and it will be this here and happy clients. Now let's style this. Let's select the achievement wrap. Display will be flex and gap will be 80 pixel. And let's select the single achievement. So let's select the single achievement. And here we'll simply say display flex, align item center, and gap 12 pixel. And now for the achievement check, I'll say width will be 45 pixel, height 45 pixel, border radius 50%, and display flex, align item center, and justify content center. And the background color will be white but less opacity, like this. And after that we need to size the image. So the image will be 26 pixel or 25 pixel, and filter invert. You can see it's almost done, but you can see even after we set align at center, it's not aligned perfectly because there is margin under this text. Why? Because we said hero left P, we gave some margins to this paragraph, and it's also taking this same margin. So we have to get rid of that. So we have to come here and no, sorry, not this one. We have to select the single achievement and P. It will have margin bottom 0 and the font size will be 22 pixel. Font weight will be 600 and you can see this one is little bold, but this one is regular. So we can do two things. We can wrap this inside span, or we can wrap this inside span. So simply we can wrap this inside span, also this one, and here we can say single achievement P and span. It will have font weight 400. You see, it's looking perfect. Now that this left side is done, now let's proceed to this right side. So what I'm gonna do is come over here and I'll take hero right, and inside this hero right we need two images. So first we need this one. So I have here this lawyer man. It's inside assets, images, and this lawyer man. So select the lawyer man from here right, and the width will be 480 pixel. Position will be absolute, bottom 0, and from the right 12%, and Z index 10. And you remember we said this section, the hero section relative, yeah, it's because of this we are setting this absolute. Also you remember we said here also the hero left position relative and Z index 1. We said this because we want to keep this at the top, and in smaller display it should be in the behind and it should be in the top. So the person goes in the behind and the text shows in the top. So basically that. And after that you can see it's already here, and now we need this background image, and by the way I am using this same image here. So I'll take another image, and it will be this one. And now that we have two images and we are not using any class name, we have to give it like this. So it means the first child of the image, so there are two childs this is the first one and this is the last one, so you are basically selecting the first one. And for the last one, you write image last child. Width will be 750 pixel, position absolute, right 10%, top will be 50%, and translate oil -50%. And also we have to make this image white first, so I'll say filter invert 1, and then I'll reduce the opacity. You can see it's looking almost perfect, almost looking like this one. So we have this extra spacing at the bottom, so how we are gonna remove this? Simply we are gonna take this, so we are gonna do some calculation. So first we will take this header's height and then we will reduce it from here. So how we are gonna do this? So let's see how much is this header height is. So header is, you can see here, take a look here, it says 130 pixel. The height is 130 pixel. So if we reduce 130 pixel from 100 VH, so yeah, these two will fit the entire screen. So I'll write calc 100 VH minus 130 pixel. Perfect. It looks almost like this one. Maybe I can move this little bit to the left like this. So if I give it right 16%, now you can see they're same. Alright, so that's it for today's video. If you want to see how to make this responsive, let me know in the comment. I'll make another video about this topic. So thank you very much for watching. If you find my video helpful, then please don't forget to subscribe and also like my video. Thank you very much.